In this last segment, we'll talk a little bit about some of the AI tools and use cases that have been developed in city environments. By the end of the segment, you should be able to come up with some ideas for how AI might be useful in your job and how it can perform both responsibly and accurately. Keeping an ethics-first approach in mind, there are a number of ways to boost efficiency and streamline tasks at the city with generative AI. A few use cases in particular have been recommended by a coalition of government agencies in the United States called GovAI. Some of the success of these use cases depends on how you craft your directions to the AI, your prompts. Exploring alternative ways to improve your prompts can yield better outcomes. Let's talk about a few of the use cases. First, generative AI can be used as a meeting notes companion. Generative AI, like Microsoft Copilot, for example, can create meeting notes when you upload a transcript. It's great for project managers and meeting leaders, helping drastically reduce the time spent compiling notes. You can even upload months of notes to ask when a specific decision was made or an action taken. Generative AI used in this way also helps create a public record. A second example would be using generative AI as a transportation analysis table builder. Need specific transportation data from a long document? This capability can produce neat tables from user-provided data, metrics, and KPIs, leaving out extraneous information. An example prompt here might be, give me a table with the morning and afternoon hours highlighted for this particular intersection only. And the AI will pull out the data for that location and give you the analysis you want. In a third example, Gen AI can also be used for translating government documents meant to reach multiple residents. By translating, we mean both into other languages as well as to a certain reading level, so that everybody has a good chance of actually understanding what you're trying to say. This practice aims to increase cultural relevancy and accuracy when communicating with residents. It's great for professional translators and communications staff to help reduce the time needed to produce quality translations. It's especially successful when you can upload a database of agency-approved translations. Finally, in a fourth example, Gen AI can act as a grant applications assistant. If you're applying for grants, this capability can help increase your success by aligning the grant requirements and format with your application text. It's great for anybody applying to grants, especially departments without a dedicated grant writer. A prompt might be, after uploading a grant rubric, tell me what to change according to the grant rubric to maximize my chances of a successful application. These are just a few examples of quick AI capabilities that can support our work. We encourage you to consider how these use cases might fit into your daily tasks. The 4 examples are just a handful among many use cases that cities are beginning to explore successfully. We provided the city with a list of resources that can point you in the direction of other examples and other great uses for AI tools. So we hope that this short video has given you some helpful background and some direction as you begin to use AI to help your work and the ways that the city can better serve the residents.